I'm making today stuffed chicken breast with spinach, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. I'm using butter, Parmesan cheese, peppers, Italian dressing. Now I'm cutting the chicken breast. I'm opening like a butterfly, and then I'm gonna cut it in little. I'm gonna do little cuts to put the garlic, then the Parmesan cheese, then spinach, Parmesan cheese again, and then I'm gonna roll it out to make the chicken stuff with the ingredients that I said before. Like you see, I'm putting right now the spinach, then the Parmesan cheese, then I'm gonna start rolling them like real tight, and then I'm gonna make a roll. Like you see it, I'm doing it little by little. I'm rolling it. I finished it already. And then I put it to the side. In a pan with butter. Like everybody see, I'm checking all my chicken breast. I put it on the pan. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. I cover it. Then I put it on time. I'll wait until it broils. Then in another pan, I'm trying to do some mashed potatoes. I put butter, then a little bit of garlic, and I'm gonna do like some vegetables, like sausage, broccoli, then it's gonna be in a low flame because they have to cook. It's gonna take 45 minutes doing those chicken breasts. Then I'm making white rice also. Mashed potatoes. Little bit of peppers, crushed peppers. Then that's just gonna take me like that's in a low flame. A little bit of half and half. Then as soon that past half an hour, I open the lid and I'm gonna put some peppers, red peppers, and crushed peppers on the top. Everything is done already, and then I'm almost ready to serve everything on the plate. Now I'm putting some rice on the plate, then the chicken breast stuff, also the vegetables, and then we're gonna start enjoying our dinner.